Guys, why am I doing this work here, huh? I'm applying smart resin here on this subfloor, so that later we can do the self-leveling here. I'm going to install vinyl flooring here afterwards, okay? But before the vinyl flooring, I need to level this surface to receive the vinyl flooring glue. So one of the important steps in preparing the surface is the self-leveling compound. And to apply the self-leveling compound on top of this subfloor here, look, can you see it? I need to use primer to seal this subfloor. Only then can I apply the self-leveling cement, okay? If you've been following me here for many years, you'll know that in my projects, in my works, every surface that I'm going to paint or work on, I use self-leveling cement. I use this product right here, see? For us to seal the surface, see? I use smart resin for everything in my projects. If I'm going to paint over drywall, I use smart resin. If I'm going to do self-leveling, I use smart resin first. It's painted here, see? I'm going to do a new paint job on top of this. Sand it down and treat it with putty. I also apply smart resin. Okay? I've been using it for many years. It's a product that will seal the surface so we can apply the self-leveling compound. So, the tip in this video for you who are going to install vinyl flooring in your house or apartment, if you're at the subfloor stage, use smart resin first, okay? Don't apply the self-leveling compound without first applying the primer, so you can ensure the self-leveling cement and later the vinyl flooring adhesive will work properly, okay? Where can you find this product? I'll leave it for you down below in the description of this video, okay? The link where you can find it is on the Escutaveo website, alright? And if I'm not mistaken, if you use the coupon ARC7, you'll still get a little discount there, but don't apply it. Don't use self-leveling cement on a subfloor like this one. Look, this subfloor here was delivered by the construction company, okay? Don't do it. First use smart resin so you can guarantee your work. The information is down below in the description, okay? And we